Parents and caregivers can now get 7-year-olds immunised against COVID-19. Find out more at bookmyvaccine.nz or call the COVID Vaccination Healthline on 0800 28 2926.
Live, local and at home. Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangareine, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tū atu I hikurangi. Morena, he, te, iwi! Yes!
No mai haere mai, welcome to the good life.
Yes, whānau. That is right. You're here with the crew, myself, Phoenix, Luke, and Marcia. We're here with you, tainoa ki te iwa karaka. Mōrena e te iwi, mōrena e te hunga, e mātakitaki mai ana. Kia ora.
What is it, live, local?
Live, local, and at home. I want to know who that guy is.
Yeah.
Like, who was that?
I think we know.
yeah.
That's so good.
Live, local, and at home. That's my movie voice. Ngāti Hine FM.
Oh,
Yeah.
so good. Oh, that's brilliant.
Hey, welcome back.
Oh, thank you. And
Te okinga mai.
Oh, thank you very much. Apologies about yesterday, guys. Now, I'm assuming because I was away that I was the brunt of your guys' jokes.
Well, the only reason you were away is because you didn't wake up and you were unprofessional and you didn't come to work.
Yeah.
No, sorry, guys. Sunday I woke up.
We just told everyone you did a no-show.
We didn't even hear from you.
How dear. No, fair enough. I had a raging knee infection. I still do, and it's very sore. And if I took the little Band-Aid off, it's not little, it comes right up to my leg. It's big fat red mess of gross.
Yeah.
And what doesn't help is that, remember Mr. Alexander? Starts with a Z.
Yes.
He beautiful looking dude.
Yes,
He's
Takita.
He's the one that had to pop it.
They popped that.
He loved it though. He was like, "Oh, this is the juicy one." I was
They popped it.
I had to drain it. Yeah. So if you don't know, I've had knee surgery on Christmas Day. And it's pretty much, it's going really well. But then I thought, oh, it's getting really red where the stitches were. And then I was like, oh, this is getting really sore on Saturday. Then Sunday, I was like, oh, waking up through the night. And then I saw it. I thought, oh, this isn't good. Then I went to the doctor. Then I went to White Cross yesterday. And no.
Oh, no.
It was a raging knee infection.
Yes. Well,
you can't be mucking around with them too,
No.
Because if they get in your blood, that's no good.
Correct. So apparently where the stitches were, it's infected at the top of where the stitches end.
How do stitches? Well, we did mention that you had an infection in the knee area. And we did have one solution. Have a wash.
I knew you were going to say that.
Yeah.
You dirty.
That'll help.
You dirty mongrels.
Snitches get stitches. I remember when I broke my femur. I had to get an operation. I got a rod.
We're going for the
we're going way back. We're
one.
competing.
Yeah.
But I got a rod in my leg, and I had to get staples, up and down the leg. And my cousin was there when I was getting them taken out.
Oof.
And it doesn't hurt or anything. Like, they're pulling them out and whatever. But part of my scar now, you can see it. They pulled out the staples like it was too early, so it slightly opened as they were pulling it out. And my cousin, so my dad looked over at my cousin and he was like looking a bit pale. My dad was like, "You all right?" He was like, yeah. And then as my dad turned back to me, my cousin fainted.
Wow.
On the floor in the hospital. And then
Really?
he woke up in the hospital bed next to mine. And he was like, "What happened?" We're like, "You fainted."
we just stapled your leg.
He fainted. He was like, "Oh my
Wow.
gosh." He just fainted, dropped in the hospital.
That's a gnarly.
Dreams of being a doctor. Over.
That's a gnarly injury.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Oh no, Marcy, anything about your any staples, any stitches?
Stitches, no.
No, that's good. Long list.
Yeah. I've only broke once.
Have you?
Yeah.
When?
Well, it was back when I was I think I was maybe 7.
Cute.
In 2 places.
Oh, wow.
I broke it the afternoon playing hide and go seek, I think.
But you didn't know that you broke it again?
No, I didn't know. I was complaining, crying, and then Mum was like, just put it up. Put some ice on it. And then the next morning it was like, boom!
Oh, ouch.
She was like,
she's like, oh, I think we better go to the doctor.
I seen.
And they're like, it's broken in 2 places.
Oh. That reminds me of this dry dad joke I seen. It was like a doctor talking to his patient. And the patient says, "Doctor, I broke my leg in 3 places." And the doctor said, "Well, don't go there."
Kia ora.
That's you.
Oh,
don't go to those 2 places.
Yeah.
That was very good. Oh, yes. Well, it's good to be back.
Oh, very good.
You had a big weekend, didn't you,
Yeah,
Mars?
we had a great weekend.
Yeah.
Yes, it's Tuesday now, though.
Sorry, I'm assuming you've talked about this yesterday, but
no, we didn't really touch on LAB yesterday.
No, yeah, we did. It was good. LAB was great.
All you can do is you can just tell from the sound of your voice.
I know.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Right.
Because it wasn't LAB songs I was singing because I knew about 2 of them.
I was just telling all the listeners yesterday, Marcia's got no voice because she was that guy who led the haka tautoko after the concert.
For LAB.
Was there actually a tautoko?
It was a haka tautoko.
It was a haka tautoko, and that's why
she sounds like a drag queen.
Marcia's got no voice.
I have to lead it out. Someone's got to lead Tamaki.
Yes.
For Tamaki McCovid. Last concert before Red Light.
Maro LAB.
Yeah.
Maranga maira.
Oh, kia ora.
I had to.
It's a vibe, isn't it?
Aye, it is a vibe.
It's a toko toru tapu. Aye. Thank you, Sarah Kay.
Morena.
Speaking of a vibe, check out our weather.
Oh, it's the vibe.
Oh, that's right.
All right, we're going straight there. Okay. She's got me again. I was ready. Here we are. Ngā matapai huarere mo tēnei rā. And te whangaore pai kohi ngā kokos.
Yeah, well, you can say kutai.
Oh, yeah, because you go for kutai.
Because we're going to rogue commenter that said we couldn't.
Kohi ngā pina coladas.
Yeah.
Ki te whangaore pai kohi ngā pina coladas.
And I got the same timing.
Nice.
That's right. Here in hey, I'm keen. It is 20.5 degrees today right here in Whangarei. It's a high of 26 degrees with 85% humidity. In Tamaki Makaurau, it is pretty much the same, 27 degrees is your high. And here in Whangarei, it is a day full of rain. It's periods of rain this morning, also this evening, possible heavy, clearing this evening, becoming fine. Northeasterlies, and that's your weather for
See, now I don't know which one it's going to say now. I'm so confused. Sarah Kay said,
just like that too.
Well, what's our tides doing? What's our tides doing, Marcia?
Oh, well, it's anyway, the tides, what do you have to say? Low tide low tide is right now. It's going to be at its lowest in about 20 minutes, and then high tide will be at 2 o'clock this afternoon.
Oh, fabulous.
What is the date today?
25th.
It's the 25th
Tuesday.
already. Gosh, goodness me.
Damn. We're almost at the end of Jan. Well, speaking of the tides, and then, we got to bring it down a little bit. Slow it down just a little bit. Put on this laugh. We're talking about sexy maramataka. You already know. Tēnā no tātou. Nau hoki mai ki tēnei wahanga e kia nei ko sexy maramataka. Tō koutou. Tino. Wahanga. Mako. Mako? Mako. I nā pōi haere i waho I taku whare. I kōrero atu kia hina. Tēnā koe e hina. I pata atu ki aia. He aha te wahanga o tēnei marama. Hei ko tāna. Ko tangaroa āmua. Tangaroa āmua te wahanga o tēnei marama. He rāpai ki te hiika. Anō nei te hituna. Me te whakatōkai. Tangaroa a mua.
Ura.
Kia ora. Sexy maramataka.
Oh,
Yes.
that was good.
Yeah, we couldn't do sexy
Nah.
Maramataka yesterday.
Why?
We wrapped it yesterday.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Show me how.
Oh, it was like this.
Hey.
And then we like played this.
Ay.
Hey.
Oh. Oh.
And then we let the beat drop.
Mm.
When it,
Yeah, Hina. Yeah.
Hey. Yeah.
Oh.
Talk about marama taka. Don't wanna taka. Kei hinga. Ki te pō.
Yes. Hey. We got Tangaroa a mua. Hey. Te tiro ki tua. Hey. E rua. Ngā
Oh.
tangata ki roto I te whare. Engari, he toru I te rānei.
Oh,
Hey.
kia ora.
It's not my babe. It's a great day. Hey.
That was good.
Yes.
See? We
Don't
make
wanna
We in the
marama
studio
taka
having fun.
on your kaka.
Yeah.
Hey.
In the studio having fun. Energy levels medium.
Yes. With the band.
Oh, that's good, guys.
Yeah, it was
okay.
fun. That's how we did
Right.
it. So when you're not here,
Oh,
that's
bless
how
your
we're
heart.
doing
Yeah.
it.
We make
Sarah
do.
Kay, I love the laugh for sexy maramataka. Oh, do it again, please.
You just gotta
Jaws
bring
is-
it down and then sexy maramataka.
Jaws thinks it's fire.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. There's only one part on our song today because Marcia got the croaky-tanga from her hakatoto.
And I would. We're sticking with the Hakatotoks. I would jump on, but no.
That's okay.
It's quite sexy a solo.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. No, thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah, nah. Play us a song, will you?
Yeah, harder.
Exactly. No reira whānau. You're here with the crew like we said already. Kua hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. Still to come, we got all your favourite parts of the show. No
Yes.
reira. Keep it locked. Ngāti Hene FM.
Hey.
That's a jam. Let's go.
We better take it off quicker, Marcia, because that was the title that put us, hey. Kia ora again, everybody online. Of course, this is the go-to now. Where you get the exclusive VIP backstage.
Backstage pass. That's right.
Because of copyright issues. Here we are not. One day we will play some non-copyrighted songs.
But right now, Marcy's going to play.
But right now, we're preparing for our next waga. Oh, it's the wheel way. The weeda. Forward side.
Kue Commando. Kue Commando. Oh. Kue Commando.
Kua Kimane.
Kua Te Commando.
Kua Te Kimane. Otini was like, hey, when is the Hundavasa opening?
February.
Uh,
Is it not open? No.
Nah.
Just the restaurant is. Oh, okay.
Otini wants to know because he's like, I want to go to the opening. And they're like, Kawai te ingoa tēnei whare. And he's like, Te taka nui o whangara.
Te whare o Aladdin.
Hi. The whare o Aladdin.
What's his name? Jafar's the whare.
Are they going to do it?
I don't know, buddy. Oh, if they're a Maori museum, they should be doing it. Oh,
Where's
funny.
the Māori art coming from? Like, who is it?
I don't know.
Morena!
I love how they're calling it. You're only getting half the story if you're not watching back. Exactly. This
Yes.
is where you get all the tea, Jules.
That's right.
Or give us the tea.
Hey, yes, Giles, give us the tea, girl. Now.
Black. Black, no sugar.
Yeah.
Actually, I just said that. I don't even drink tea.
I drink tea.
Yeah.
Black.
I don't know a drink you don't drink.
I try everything.
Yeah.
I'll eat anything.
Did you just say thing?
Thing, yeah. Thing. Hey, fellas.
You said thing with an F.
Oh, do you watch 24 Hours in A&E?
Ka hore.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Are we going to listen to
Moena. Moena. Moena.
Shush. Vananga. Morena. Manja.
Pucci. What did I say?
Ring!
You've got to watch it. It's so sad. Some of them are
What is
quite
that?
sad.
24
Hours. It's
emergency.
like, it's English, but it's in the emergency.
Real.
Yeah. And then they have people talking, and then they do follow-ups. Oh, some of them are sad.
So I said, Zach has my jug, so I'm boiling my tea in the pot.
Oh, Zachary, thanks.
Could be cracking up.
Moena.
Moena!
Ah,
Moena!
no, kaita huia.
You're playing us a jam, girl.
Yo, this is how we're going to deal with the air brakes. Marcia's just going to sing.
Yes.
Kuwait, welcome to the backstage pass.
Oh, hey, Latina.
NFT access.
Oh, got some topical news today.
Oh, nice.
Well, it's not like funny. I mean, it's quite cool. And some of it's quite sad.
We're just forward selling. Yeah, they mana. Nice.
Yeah.
Forward sell and
And play the wheel.
Oh, yeah. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. We got the marae thing. You can tune them into this.
electrical
Tune them
time.
into this.
Oh, yeah. Don't want to miss out on your marae.
Yeah. The marae o Ngati Hine.
Okay, I got you.
Alright.
Te hine, I tū kia pēnā anō te hanga ki tā te whare o Porowini. Nā mai hi praone kauiti tēnei whare I tūai. Ia ia neina, ko tū hei whare nui mo Ngāuri o Ngāti Hine Putano.
Tērā punga.
Ngā marae o te kāinga. A place I like to call home.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei! Mori nei te iwa, it is Luke Bird, Marcia Hopper and Phoenix Ruka right here till 9 a.m. this morning on E Ara E Mara.
Kia
E
ora.
ara e mara. That's right, whānau, you're here with us. Mai te whitu karaka, tai noa ki te iwa karaka. If you just joined us, then you missed Sexy Maramataka.
Engari, we're going to give you an update later on during the show.
Yeah.
I tēnei wā, ko tai tata ki tēnei wāhanga. It's called Te Wira, just so we know what's at play this morning. Here we go. Te Wira, Te Wira, Te Wira, Te Wira, Te Wira.
The wheel of anxiety, everybody.
Oh,
Oh, my face.
Yes.
I'm thinking about...
you know, we played this yesterday while you were not here, and coincidentally, it went really well.
Yeah. So hopefully, kei reira tonu te wairua.
Oh, gosh. Okay.
Alrighty, Terry. What is it? I'm thinking about.
Yeah.
It's going to be a Iare Mara game coming up very shortly. Here no Tutahi, here's Earth, Wind and Fire.
Oh, yeah.
Woo. Let's groove. Get it.
Remember the backstage
Throwing it
pass?
back.
Get on backstage now.
Ngā tēnei FM. Let's just have two, eh?
Let's groove tonight.
We need help waking up, whānau.
Oh, sponsors.
This is the one. Low in calories too, if you're trying to watch your calories.
Yes.
Nay.
I'm thinking about. Okay, so
Oh,
just to get the. I'm
thinking about.
I'm hat.
No,
Yes.
you're...
Are you thinking about?
sorry.
Are you talking about?
Are you talking about a cat? No, what did you
Okay,
say? I'm
describe
hat.
it.
Do it to me.
I'm hat.
It's a first name.
Ah, are you talking about the thing you wear?
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Oh no, that's what you said. Are you talking about
What would it be then?
the little feline?
No, that's cat.
I'm
talking-
hat.
Oh, what?
You just go, no, that's cat. I'm hat. I'm talking about the
Go back to the
da-da-da-da-da.
original
Oh,
one
yeah.
every time.
Always just like a statement. It's a statement.
Oh, it's only been like, what, 6 months?
I'll get it.
No, that's...
We're only 15 in the EV radio station.
Out of 17.
What did I say again? No, that's...
Someone bring
So
up
always go back to the yeah. So you
No, that's cat. I'm
hat.
hat.
Yeah,
So you think... And then I'm thinking about...
yeah, and describe again. Okay, so let's do it because the backstage gets all the bumps. but the front stage get the smooth.
The smooth. That's right.
I'm hat.
Are you talking about
That little
the
feline.
bigger version of a mouse?
No, that's cat. I mean, sorry.
Yeah. Keep going. That's if you want it to be.
But what do I say now?
And then you say,
Sorry.
no, that's rat.
Rat.
I'm cat. I'm thinking about, and then you go,
I'm hat.
Why do I say I'm cat for?
I'm hat. It's you always say what I started with.
Is this
Not
a new
cat,
rule?
it's hat.
Is this a new rule?
No, it's not new. I'm just implementing the proper way to play.
Oh, don't give me new rules. Oh no, it's gonna make it hard.
All you have to say is, no, that's cat. I'm hat. Blah, 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 blah. So you describe it to me. I'm thinking about something that rhymes with hat.
I'm thinking about Pat.
Describe it. Don't say the word. Describe it. I say your word.
Yeah, but Pat's not my word.
What's your word then?
Pat.
No, hat's my word. Pat is your word. I'm thinking about the thing that you do to your dog. Pat. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Yes.
Let's keep
I'm gonna have a fiction in my.
We've never done that other part before. We've never done the go back to the. We've only done
The other part that you're talking about is one word. Kika.
Okay, it's just the format.
So you say I'm hat, and we'll go around this way so you can hear the flow. Go.
I'm hat.
Are you talking about the little feline?
No, that's cat. I'm hat. I'm talking about the big version of a mouse. 10 seconds.
No, that's rat. I'm hat. I'm talking about the thing that you do to your dog. No, that's Pat. I'm hat.
Oh, he was okay. It's another day here. It is Tuesday. And it's my first day back.
You sound drained.
Oh,
What's going on?
I can tell you my knees drained. Oh my goodness.
You know what you need?
Oh,
Suntory Boss Coffee.
That's right. Thanks for the coffee this morning.
I just want to point out, Phoenix did get 3. I don't like coffee.
Yeah. Well, like, because
and
last
he
time,
knew that, so he has 2. Nah.
Yeah. Last time I bought in a coffee and they were like, "Whoa, did you just bring one coffee?" I was like, "Sorry." So this time I stopped to get iced coffee, so I bought 3. Marcia didn't even want one.
I'm just really chuffed that you purchased them for us. That's really nice.
Yeah, I'm
Thank
such
you.
a nice guy.
You know what I'm chuffed about? About to play this game.
Yes, that's
You
right,
guys are a
whānau.
crack up. That's right.
Kua tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga e kia ni ko...
E ora e mana!
Hey. Okay, our Eara Mara game is, I'm thinking about, we've already had a backstage
Yeah.
practice,
If you're online, you witnessed it.
This is stupid.
and let me say,
What are you worried about?
it's only been 6 months and Luke is still getting his head around the game,
No.
but you're ready now.
Thank you. Marcy just threw a new rule at me, so I'm like trying to work it out.
Okay, here we go.
Which way is it going?
We're going this
Okay.
way. I'm Wall.
Are you talking about the thing that you bounce?
No, that's ball. I'm wall. I'm talking about
Let's go.
I'm talking about another word for height.
No, that's tall. I'm Wall. I'm talking about Peter's mate.
Peter's mate.
Yeah, Peter.
Peter. Oh, no, that's Paul. I'm Wall. I'm talking about a long corridor.
No, that's Hall. I'm Paul. I'm
Yeah,
talking about. I thought I'd go back to you.
Nah, that's
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
Let's go.
yeah.
go.
You're right.
Heck, I'm talking about. What a bird does in the morning.
No, that's Call. I'm Wall. I'm talking about.
We go back to the original.
Yeah.
I'm talking about what babies do when they can't walk.
No, that's crawl.
that's good.
I'm Wall. I'm talking about what happens when you lose your footing.
No, that's fall. I'm wall. I'm talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, that big building. I'm talking about that big building you go to buy retail at.
Oh no, that's a mall. I'm wall.
So slow at this.
I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. What am I talking about? I'm talking about that place in Europe that starts with an M.
Oh, no.
And the first part is there's 3 syllables. And it's
Oh, no, that's Montreal.
It's not Europe.
Isn't it?
I'm
Where is
wall.
that? It's a large city in Canada.
Not that I'm in
Is it?
Europe.
I'm fully in Monaco.
You
geography
heard it
is
here first,
mean.
Whānau.
Oh.
Montreal has moved to Europe.
But no, it sounds
Phoenix
European.
didn't know that until you said.
No, I didn't. Not at all.
It's a French-speaking city anyway.
I'm-
See?
In Canada.
I'm more. I'm talking about the little shop at a market.
No, that's a little shop at a market.
Yes.
Little shop at a market.
Yeah.
No, that's stall.
Yes.
I'm wall. I'm talking about.
Montreal.
I just hit it and you made me lose it.
Sorry.
I'm
You
talking
had
about.
nothing.
I'm talking about. I'm talking about what a lion does in the morning.
Oh no, that's raw. I'm wall. I'm talking
That
about.
doesn't rhyme at all.
Oh, that does.
I'm raw.
I'm talking about
I'm wall. What?
not just us two, but us.
All. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
God.
I'm wall.
Yeah, the Europe.
No, all right. Let's leave that one.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Gosh.
I'm done.
That was not
I
bad.
think I won
With your raw
because I gave you both a lesson.
and Montreal. I think
'cause you gave us a
Montreal
lesson.
won.
Yeah.
That was good. That was fun.
Montreal.
Montreal. Bro, I
Um,
fully was in Europe right
Yeah,
there.
it's a
That's
place
okay.
in Europe with 3
Montreal.
syllables starting with mon. Nice. I like it.
Man.
I
Andre.
caught a train from London to Montreal.
You probably did.
Yeah, I
Did
did
you?
in my head.
Montreal.
Chances are there is a place in Europe called Montreal, but you're
But
dumb.
no.
You dummy.
You start.
Yeah. Are we going again?
Yeah,
All
one
right.
more.
I'm happy.
What?
I'm happy.
That's lovely.
Start the game though.
Where do I go with happy?
Oh,
You
you
say,
tell me.
No.
Are you talking about?
Are you talking about slappy? Sorry, what do I do if I'm the second?
Just describe if you're the second.
So you're happy?
Yeah.
No. Oh, I'm out of whack. Oh no.
So you just describe.
Oh,
Say,
what do I do
I'm
again?
happy. Are you talking about and describe your word, and I will say it.
Also, I start the rhyme off.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, that's dumb.
Yeah, but he gives you what to rhyme with.
Okay.
Start again. Start again. One
All right,
more.
let's try it.
No,
I'm.
don't try a different one.
Oh yeah, true. We don't have to go through that rigmarole again. I'm happy.
Are you? No, I say, are you talking about?
Yeah.
Are you talking about Flappy? No. Oh, I'm just. That's my. Flappy.
Are you
Sorry?
talking about what
Who was-
birds do?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh
no, that's
Oh.
Flappy.
Oh.
Who was saying he was dumb?
Well, that was actually me.
That was it.
Do it
Ah.
again. I'm ready now.
Okay.
All
Last
right,
chance.
new one.
Happy.
I'm sad.
Oh, are you talking about
Flappy?
sad? Sad.
Yep.
What's the rhyming word with sad,
Oh
guys?
man.
Sorry, mad.
He maha.
Yeah, try that.
He kera.
Are you talking about that thing? No, you do it. Fad, mad, cad, shad.
Yep.
Why is this so
Thank you.
hard?
And that was the RA, but it's.
No, you start. No, you do it.
No, we.
No.
Trump me with
Look,
a new
it's
word.
Kua hoki tātou ki te mito te rohi. And on that note, on that foul note, we're going to have a better note. Nico Walters, aroha kai tangata. You're here with the crew, Marcia, Phoenix, Luke. It's Hini FM.
I'm out.
I'm happy. It's funny because you every time you do it really well, and then the next or like the very next time, I forgot.
It trumps me every time. I hate that game.
We played it yesterday. The wheels.
I'm gonna take it out.
No, it's fun. You guys are a cracker.
Topical news.
Oh, yes.
Forward sell. Give us a cliffhanger of one of yours, please, Luke.
I ain't got a topical news, but I've got something I want to talk about, so I'll forward sell that too.
Cliffhanger. Oh.
Yeah. You want to know who died in the news? Hang on.
There we go.
I hope no one died. I was just joking.
Joking.
If someone did.
Holiday.
Is my camera better, Janet?
Where's Generator?
She's on the road.
On the road again. Big hearty bless up to all the Morihu around the Motu Blessed Day. Oh yes, because it's
more than
That's it. Oh, isn't it? Yes, it is. It's topical.
What is the day celebrate? Obviously, that's in a church, but
I think it's the day you go to the church, is it?
oh, that's what I was asking you.
Yous have a blessing day. Are you getting off, Putty? Don't get off. Don't turn us off. Another hour, 15 minutes.
Kia paitera.
We've got to go to a job.
Yeah, the Europe.
You have a good day too.
Yeah, the Europe.
Just gonna make sure.
Shut up, buddy.
I'm going to make sure, Marcia, that you are not correct.
Nah, it's Montreal's in Canada. What's the capital of Canada?
Isn't it? Don't say anything.
I don't know.
It is. Isn't it where?
Oh, is it Quebec?
2 minutes.
No. There's another French-speaking city in Canada.
It's
Vancouver.
Vancouver.
Ah.
Is it?
I don't know. Should I check?
Yeah.
Should I check for you?
Montreal, city in Canada.
I've been to Canada. It's so cool.
I have not.
We went through LA and I hated
Oh, no,
LA.
it's Ottawa. Oh, Ottawa is what they
Ottawa,
call it.
yeah.
Ottawa.
Ottawa.
We'd say Ottawa, but they call it Ottawa.
Ottawa. O-T-A-W-A. Ottawa.
Ottawa. And I'll tell you that in topical news. I've got two things for topical news.
Kapai.
Okay. Yeah.
So just give us a teaser for your forward sell.
Yeah. I'll do probably the bigger one first.
What's You could probably do it over. Just keep the song playing.
I'm gonna go straight over this.
Yeah. Talk over the song. Keeps us tight.
Tight like an Ottawa. Tight like an otter. Well.
Back on, guys.
Yeah. Let's aim for zero with Waka Kotahi, committed to keeping us safe. Go to www.nzta.govt.nz to find out more and take care on the roads.
If it's 4 months since your second shot, it's now time to get a booster. Getting a booster is the best way to protect you and your whānau from COVID-19 variants like Omicron. So book your booster today at bookmyvaccine.nz.
That's right, everybody. It's Ear Ara Ear Mata this morning with Marcy, Luke and Phoenix. Hey, just after the song, we've got some topical news. Phoenix, stick around to see who has spent millions of dollars on just their weekend home. Join us shortly.
Get it.
Malor.
Melor.
Miore.
Malore.
Miore.
Well, maybe she's saying moena.
Nah. Melor.
Malor.
Big melore to you too.
Oh, Malore.
You missed us going to Montreal in Europe. Yeah. Marcia.
Hey, you did well, man.
Hey, I haven't been to Canada, okay?
Yeah.
I'm surprised I haven't been to Canada, to be honest.
I've been
Canada's
watching
nice.
Canada's drag race, and it makes me love the people.
We went through LA to get to Canada. LA was terrible, rude, stink. Dumb.
Really?
And then we got, and then we were only there for a couple of days, and we went through to Canada, and it was like we came back into New Zealand. Like just not everyone's real polite, friendly, helpful.
We're polite,
It was so
How's
nice.
it going, eh? From New Zealand, eh?
And they said like, because we'd say, oh man, it's real nice here. It's like the people are friendly. It's like New Zealand. It's like we feel like we're home, and they're like, that's what we hear all the time. Like apparently they hear that all the time there.
Yeah.
When people come here or say it's like reminds them of NZ.
It's in my head, probably here. Iwi Take.
Yeah. Yeah, well, the island we went to was a small island of Canada called Hairakai. And like the first day we got there, they dropped off a trailer load, not like a bucket or anything. It was literally like a trailer load of crabs.
Oh.
Those big, massive ones.
Whoa.
So like for us to eat, we're like, what are we doing here? They have like they have killers there too. I can't remember what they call them. But they're kind of different looking. They got the long spikes, but they're yum, man. Oh.
And the language or something.
Yeah, in their language, they got another name for it.
Oh, cool.
They have heaps of salmon. Heaps of salmon, and that was yum. I love salmon.
Same, I love salmon too. Just stand by the rivers and they just leap up into your mouth. If you're a bear.
Yeah. But, oh man, everywhere you go, like there's bear signs everywhere.
Yeah.
Brother bear.
I
We've
love
got news
brother
for the
bear.
bears, Marty, for the beer.
Kia ora.
For the beer competition.
Oh, are you in there?
I've got news.
Ah, yes. Right.
Are you
Perfect.
I've got news.
Oh no, Auntie Pauline did hear it.
She says it like, I heard. Like she's
Yes, I heard.
No, I just had nothing to say to you, Marcia.
Yeah. There's no comment
I
for
think there was
that.
in Montreal, though, like Russia. Is there one there? St. Petersburg, Russia?
Yeah.
Montreal,
There's a
Russia?
Montreal street.
It's quite interesting why Canada speaks French. I did some
Why do they keep
research.
adding in songs?
Oh, yes, that automatically.
Albatross.
Yesterday the news started at 10 to 9. We were like, what the hell are we up to?
Wow.
Hard.
30 seconds.
Ha 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 ha.
What the?
Nobody but
Iwa Tokerau, iwa whangarei nei, iwa Tokerau, iwa iratahi tuatu I hikurangi morena. E te iwi!
Kia ora. Right now we're crossing live to our reporter live on the street. Tell us, Mr. Bird, what's the word on the street?
I'm just waiting for my music. That's right, Marcia. Thank you, Phoenix, for that pushing of your buttons. You can ring my bell any day. That's right, the word on the street. Now, you know you've got plenty of excess cash when you can afford to buy a $76 million house just for your weekend getaway. The one and only. We don't need another hero. The one and only Tina
Mariah
Turner.
Carey.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
my
I was like,
gosh.
Tina Turner.
Tina Turner, the proud Mary herself, has just over the
Yes,
past...
you
I
start
said you had to
with
win with
Proud
that.
Mary,
Yeah, I would have
yeah.
got that one.
We don't need a Proud
That's
Mary
a big
Bay.
song.
Yeah, but
Anyway, the one and only Tina Turner over the weekend had just purchased a $76 million estate in Zurich. Just because she can. Just for her weekend. She said, I just wanted
76 million.
76 million New Zealand dollars, which is still a lot. Just because she wanted a
Oh, it's
weekend
alright.
getaway.
What's the deposit on that?
Oh, she don't need deposit.
Maybe she does.
But
It's
let's
all
just-
just to have.
When I read about it, I
Let's
thought,
think
oh,
about
it must be like, wow. And then I saw it, I'm like, oh. People at home, if you can see this, those of you listening, I'll try and describe it. It's a 10 building estate. But, I mean, it's... Oh, hang on. Can you see that?
Yeah, let it come to. That's ugly.
Yeah. $76 million for that.
That is ugly.
What the?
Uh,
Surely you're busting it over if that's what it looks like.
Well, she's just wanted a getaway, a weekend getaway with her husband. In 2013, she renounced her US citizenship to become Swiss. And now she has $250 million to play with every year. So she's
He
pretty...
tamariki arawa.
Aye.
Ne? Yeah.
Not living there, though.
Well, you'd think so, because there's like 100 rooms.
No, but they have... she's got 4 or 5 children, but they're in their 60s and 70s, Marcia.
Oh, he kuya tēnei.
She's 82.
Bro, 82.
Tina Turner is 82 years of age. And so when you're living that old and you've got all that money, hey, why not just spend
Why
it
not?
easily
Yeah.
$76 million?
Come on, Kui. That's ugly.
Heck, I know. I thought, oh. But it has her own private lake and a swimming pool. Whoop, 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 whoop.
How much did you say it was
man.
again, bro?
$76 million.
Wow.
She could have got 76 of those.
Yeah. So she's living it up.
Does it have any details about the funny? Other than it looking like
It just has 10...
a lodge?
Yeah, it has 10
in Montreal.
buildings, lodges on the site. So imagine wanting to go to your other house and you got to walk through the snow. It's like, no, I want to be in one big mansion. Anyway, that's Tina Turner. But you know,
Maybe
she's
gonna
banking
tend
it every year. Every year she gets $50 million just
Just off
because
royalties.
she sold her music to BMG.
Yeah, it is BMG.
BMG Music. So she gets $50 million every year
Kia
just for
ora.
that. She's also got Tina Turner, the musical, on Broadway and West End, which means she takes in a whole lot of putia totoko.
Kia ora.
Yes. Anyway, yeah. So if you
Liking
want a casual little weekend getaway, boom.
72 million.
76 million dollars.
That's
Yes.
crazy.
Matua.
Oh, was it?
Oh, next headline.
Oh, for me?
No, well, any of you.
Oh,
you
no,
go.
I just had a it's not really a topical news, but I just wanted to talk about later. So this is going out to all my people who are learning te reo. You know, if you're on your reo journey and then you like have to, carry like a kaupapa and there's someone sitting across from you that you know is like on with their reo. So I just want to have a quick yarn about that. Well, we'll talk about that after the news from Waitea.
All right.
But yeah, if that's you, if you're on your learning journey and you've been in a position where you've had to get up and do your mihi and you know the people sitting across from you is like on,
Oh, that's me every
Yeah,
time.
they're nervous.
Are you,
Yes.
you
Now
know-
you go.
Oh, no, you go.
Now you go. Second
I'll
one.
go. So anyway, no.
Topical news. Oh, look, it's red light district in the whole country at the moment.
Yes.
And with that comes a whole lot of cancellation. So if you've got tickets to Wicked the
Not One Love. That's irrelevant.
No, yeah,
Wicked.
Wicked the musical, which has been rehearsed now for nearly 3 years because they keep having to postpone. They've officially
wow.
now cancelled. New Zealand
Did
Fashion
we
Week.
have
Yes,
tickets
you
for
did have
that?
tickets.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about it.
New Zealand Fashion Week, which has been postponed twice, has now
New Zealand Fashion Week.
officially been cancelled.
Oh.
One Love officially been cancelled. We Will Rock You, the musical, which has been postponed twice and was playing and they had to stop and then reschedule, has been officially cancelled. So, hey, look out for your artists and your creatives out there because they're really feeling the brunt during this particular red light district zone.
One of these, man, you gotta buy some land in the metaverse,
Yeah.
host some digital 3D concerts because that's where it's
Josh.
heading.
The other thing too is Marcia and Joz that's listening would love to hear this, and also Auckland Pride Festival and Big Gay Out has all officially been cancelled, which means the Big Beer competition
Has been
cancelled.
Oh.
Yes, Joz. No, not Fashion Week. Fashion Week.
Oh, and the
Yes,
big beer
Giles and I
com's
were
been
looking
cancelled.
forward to the beer beer
New Zealand
competition.
beer competition.
Because Luke was going to compete in it. And that meant him looking like a
He's more of a beaver.
lumberjack.
Stop fashion. Yep, it's all been cancelled. That's just what happens. Terrible. But Pride Festival, which is a whole month worth of festivals for our LGBT community, all cancelled. Terrible.
Well, ko te rā tēnei o te hāhi rātana. Ai, e whakanui ana i tō rātou
Morehutanga?
Poropiti.
There we
Tō rātou
go.
prophet. Me tō rātou morehutanga. Ai, kei te tika. And of course, like all other events, not being cancelled, but they've gone online. Yes, so you can go check it out on their Facebook page. They're going to be streaming and doing their hui and their celebrations online.
Fabulous.
Aye.
Here it is.
Aye.
So the word for today is
moist.
I was going to say Montreal.
Moist Montreal.
Yes. Anyway, whānau, kua hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. Straight after that, we have our news from Wātea. So, kia au tonu mai whānau, keep it locked. We have this song from Marcus Miller called Forevermore.
Ooh, yes.
No reira, kia au tonu mai. Ngāti Hine FM.
Marcia, Luke and Phoenix. Tokerau.
Oh, what's this one?
What is this song, Phoenix?
Let me take it off. Like, you know how usually all their songs pop up?
Yeah.
They wouldn't let me get rid of it.
Oh. Or you just drank?
Nah, I couldn't. There was nothing like, I've been sitting there, that's why I couldn't talk, because I've been trying to get rid of it.
No, like you can drink another one in front of it.
Nah, I kept kicking it away. Yeah, like that's what I was doing, and it kept like a...
They put like a thing on it.
This is... Oh, surely.
Can I just like...
Drag a red nut up to it? Up behind it?
Where is she?
Right there, blue.
Fashion Week. Yes, Fashion Week, Jules, it's gone.
Behind it. Behind Marcus Miller.
Okay, this one?
No, behind. Yeah. Now push.
See what I mean?
Oh, that's another Marcus Miller. You're above it.
Oh, that's one.
Scroll down. Yeah. And push play.
Yeah?
Just push the big play. There we go.
Oh, man.
And now delete that one.
Technical. Like, and the other songs that I had there, that wasn't like letting them stay there.
Yeah.
That's why they all ended up down here. Yeah.
You guys can listen to the news soon.
Keeping you up to date. The holiday play?
Holiday.
Yeah.
Yeah, didn't we listen to it before?
Oh, okay. I missed that. I didn't listen to it.
Did we already play that song?
This one?
Yeah.
Nah.
Oh, was it another one?
I think so.
The one that Luke spoke over. There it is. We already played it. Yeah, he forward sound over it.
Kei te whakarite te marae o manu rewa I te tonga o tāmaki makaurau ki te tautoko I te hapori. O tira ki te tautoko I ngā iwi o tērā pito o tāmaki pēnei te mai o kua me taikui. Kei ora panu I te mate o mi kōna ki reira. Kei te marae, ngā kano ārai, ngā pōkihi kai, ngā hātu ki ora I te hapori. Hei tā takutai moana ki te marae o manu rewa. Tuetahi whānau a kāre mō hiwana me pēhea te noho taratahi. Tuetahi he nui rawa o rātou I roto te whare kutahi te noho ana ko reira me pēhea te noho taratahi. Hei tāna kei reira te marae. I enei momo āhuatanga. Hoi anō rā, hei tā tō tātou minita nei, arā hei tā pēni henare, e tika ana kia kaha ke tātou, kia kakamā ke tātou ki te whai I te kano ārai, hei tā wharau I a tātou I te ngau a te mate o Mikona.
Tēnā, ko te tono atu ki te whānau, haere a whānau mai, mauria mai o koutou tamariki, kia whakawhiwhia ki te kano ārai ma tēnei.
Ko tūwhera anō I te whānau o Waipareira o rātou pokapū kano ārai I te uru o tāmaki makaurau. Hei tā te kāwanatanga, tērā pēr ka eke te rahi o ngā kēhi o Mikona I a rā ki te hia mano tāngata. Engari ko te muhumuhutanga o te whānau o Waipareira kāre anō rātou kia whai I te katoa o ngā raraunga mo te kano āraitanga o te iwi Māori. Kia pai ai tā rātou whakarite rautaki hei whakamarumaru I te iwi I te ngau a te o Mikona nei. Hei tā John Tāmehere tā huhu rangapū o Waipareira, tērā pēr ka hoki anō rātou ki te kōti, hei tāna kāri te pai kia puritia tonutia e te manatū hauora te katoa o ngā raraunga mō ngā whānau Māori me te kano ārai. Hoi anō rā, kia tirohia ake ngā tatauranga me ngā kōrero o te wā mo te mate korona, 25 ngā kēhi hou I te 24 haora nei. Arā, kei te tai Tokerau o tira kei Kaitaia, toko whā, kei reira. Kei Tāmaki te 13, kei Waikato te toko whā, kei te rohe o ngā roto, ara rotorua, kotahi. Kei te puku o tika, he kotahi anō, tai atu rā ki whakatū me te tauihu, toko rua ngā kēhi hou o reira. O enei kēhi katoa, toko waru e pākia ana e te o Mikona. Arā, ko te tokorua kei whakatū, kotahi kei te papai ioea, ko te toenga kei Tāmaki. Nō reira te kaumā iwa katoa ngā kēhi o Mikona kei te hapori I tēnei wā. Te kau ngā tāngata kei te hohi pera e pakanga ana ki te kōwhiori, kāore he tangata kotahi I te wāhanga whaomomo I tēnei wā nei. He rongo pai tērā. Ki ngā kōrero mo te kano āraitanga o te iwi Māori, 81 ōrau kua whai I te pūerotanga tuatahi, 84 ōrau kuru ki te whare o ārai nui o ārairoa. Kei te whakahaere a te whānau a Panui I tā rātou ahurei ki runga ipurangi I tēnei tau. Kei te pirangi tonu te iwi ki te tū hono atu ki o rātou uri e noho marara mai ana puta noa I te ao. Mā te whakamahi I te ipurangi ka hono tonu rātou ki aua uri I roto I te haumarutanga. Hei tā tuiri waititi tētahi o ngā kai whakahaere I te ahurei, kaua e pōhiritia te mate, pōhiritia te haumarutanga. Nō rere te iwi e whai ake nei ko ngā hā kinekina.
Mehe mea kua tai ki te whāmarama mai tērā o ōwerohanga, haere inai nei kia whāngaia koe ki tō wero tāpiri koreutu. Ko te haere kia whāngaia ki te wero tāpiri te ara tino whaihua, hei tiaki I a koutou ko tō whānau. Kei pāngia I ngā panonitanga hau o COVID-19 pēnei I Omicron. Rehita I tēnei rangi tonu mō tō wero tāpiri ki bookmyvaccine.nz.
Hei tā ngā kai whakahaere I te whakataetai poitū kohu Māori, kia heke rā no te motu ki te taumato o te rama karaka, ka tahia no rātou ka whai whakaro ki te whakatūa no I te tōna mana nei. I tōna tikanga kia tīmata te whakataetai I te rā nei, engari nā te horapatanga o te mate o Mikona me te ekenga o te motu ki te rama wherotanga, Kua whakatarewa hia te whakataetai. Toko mahanga iwi I whakakore atu I te haerenga a o rātou kapa ki te whakataetai I ngā wiki tatanei ko ngā puhi tētahi. I runga hoki I te matakitenga kua tata ki te māhorahoratanga o te omi kōna ki wiwi ki wāwā. Hoi no rei tiwi, koe rā ngā hā kina kina, kia ora tātou katoa.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo, te whakamārama.
He mea tautoko
nā te māngai.
Hei pāho.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Timi tō te rohe.
Iwa te kaumā iwa I rono ki whangarei nei. Iwa te kaumā iwa iratahi tuatu I hukuragi. Mōrena e te iwi.
Mōrena, ea e mara kua hoki mai ki tēnei haora rua, tuarua. Kua hau tēnei ko Māsia Hopa, ko Phoenix Ruka, anō hoki ko Crickets.
Ko Crickets.
Kei ara koe.
Kei ara koe. E haere ana ia ki te
Tiki
hanga.
tea.
Yeah, tiki tea and then, kari e tai mai.
Kari e hoki mai, hey, hika mai. Iwa anō, the show must go on, and we're going to check out our weather that he's going to do.
Luke, hit us with the weather, please, Luke.
Hit us with the weather.
Oh,
hey, come on. Like anything that we do together, I will save us.
Yeah. So anyway, whānau, if you're just joining us, you missed out on a little bit of, you missed out on our game, E Ara E Mara, but also we were just talking about, obviously the whole country's in red light, which means, what comes with red light is a whole lot of cancellations.
Yeah.
So, they've changed the ingoa for one of the concerts. Instead of one love, it's none love.
Yeah. Green light, red light.
Yeah, none love. And
Two
then also,
shots for cacks.
and also there was going to be the beer competition that
that Luke was
going to be in, but now it's going to be all the way beer because no one's going to be there. Yeah.
No one's going to be there. Okay, here we go. Whangarei weather. Today is periods of rain developing.
Sorry, the rest
this
of the
morning.
country. We only took Whangarei
Possibly heavy and thundery, clear this evening and becoming fine. Northeasterlies, a maximum high of 25 degrees dropping to a low of 18 degrees. So it's still warm. Ki ngā tai o Whangarei, low tide was at its lowest at around about 7:45. So it's still low right now, and high tide will be at 2:00 this afternoon.
Yes, and then looking at our maramataka, since Luke, Luke is taking his sweet time, we're going to wrap it again.
Yeah, let's go.
Right, let's go. Drop the beat.
Hey,
we're freestylers. Let's go. Oh,
well done. We're maramataka ready.
Sorry, guys.
Yes, we are maramataka.
I'll stand up.
Luke is running very late. I wonder
Hey.
what he ate. Probably in the kitchen, spreading hate.
Hey.
Oh, that's where he's been. Talking to his friend. Talking cucks about us because we really mean.
Never spreading
Hey,
hate. Am I
hey.
not?
Maramataka. It's Tangaroa Amua.
Yep.
Hey, again, we're looking to her.
Yes, we're looking to get a spewer, mana fewer, Tarako, Taluka.
What's it say about Maramataka? What does it say about Tangaroa Amua?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming. Sorry.
Yeah. Shout out to our major funder. Good opportunity to be in and under the water. Fishing. Roku kaimoana.
E rā pai,
Ai.
mo te kai,
Ai.
hey, me ngā tai, o Tokerau. Tai o Tokerau.
Yes. Tai o Tokerau. Don't mess with my flow. I gotta go. Talk about Maramataka.
Hey, and we got no pucker.
I'm
But
back.
Luke's gonna caca. Did it before you. Ha!
Sorry, guys. Was I not talking hate? Talking to my friend Kate, who said, hey, what's
sorry.
the fate? I said, I've got to go to the toilet because I've got to have a caca with your pucker in Takapuna.
No, you
Sorry, I
can't
stumped you.
Takaka.
No.
Which is in
No.
Nelson.
Oh, anyway.
Sorry, that
You
was
killed
early.
our rat.
Why are we back so early?
Yeah, no,
Look,
it was.
It's just your job. The job title, it says be here in the studio.
Why are we back at
Not
usually
having
we're
tea
not on
with
that,
Kate.
we're
Should we
not
play in the
back.
studio to this?
Yes, hey.
Let's play in the studio. Let's go.
I was about to sing
game.
your song. Oh,
No,
already
he's
done
already done it.
oh,
You missed
good.
it.
Oh, fabulous.
Here we go, in the studio. Yes. Hey. Here we go. I'll go to Marcia.
Yeah.
What we're doing in the studio. Hey, we're having fun in the studio.
Hey, eat a bun in the studio.
Hey, you want to run in my studio?
Hey, where's your mum in the studio?
Hey, we're the one in the studio.
Hey, that's a good pun in the studio.
Hey, look at my gun in the studio.
Hey, car's done in the studio.
Hey, what's the run in the studio?
Hey, look at the sun in the studio.
Hey, Jamaica Mon in the studio.
Hey, you're a Timmy. What was your other one?
I said car is tan in the studio.
Car is tan.
Okay.
As a rapper, it means that car weighs a ton.
Yeah, gotcha.
Yeah, just
Heavy.
want to
Car
know.
is ton.
Yeah.
Heavy.
Anyway,
Let's do one
finally.
more though.
All
We're
right,
on the flow.
okay, here we go.
It's hour 2. You ready?
Yeah.
Out there, mother, coming at you.
Let's go.
Work it.
In the studio.
Rappers now.
Because we feel like it. Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Aku tate. Oh, my. Hey. Here you go. 3, 2, 1. What are we doing in the studio? We're sitting down in the studio.
Hey, we're having pound in the studio.
Hey, they spread a frown in the studio.
Hey, put on my crown in the studio.
We're going round in the studio.
Hey, lost and found in the studio.
Hey, don't make us drown in the studio.
Hey, you need some sound in the studio.
Hey, gain some pounds in the studio.
Oh.
Hey, looking around in the studio.
Hey, you want to found in yourself.
Love it. Anyway, it's Iwi this hour, we'll have Oyo Wahanga Makai, Haere Tonu Mana, Iti Tikupu, and Mauna Koe, and so much more. No reira kia utu.
Yes, and I still want to talk to my real speakers, my people who are on a real journey out there. You know, that time where you've had to do a mihi, and you know the people sitting across from you are like mātanga reo. Let's talk to you. I want to talk to you. No reira, kua hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. We have LAB with 8 No Use, and then after that we'll be back. No reira, kau tonu mai ngati Hine FM. But it feels like it's all like the.
It is. Sorry, Anna, she said, say something. What was that? Just behind the studio. VIP just got a bit quiet.
Say something. You're supposed to accidentally get the tea, but you're not saying anything.
Say something. Say something now. Say something. So what did Kate say? Was there any tea?
Nah. Just wanted to know about my leg. There's new ones out there today.
New tea ladies.
Well, no, we're back today.
We'll do your real kōrero next.
Yep. Oh, that's disgusting. Yeah. Sure with yourself. Why are you looking at the camera? Show your face. Yeah.
Itsy bitsy.
You're my honey bunny. I need some loving. Itsy bitsy.
It's like a car radio.
Itsy bitsy. I said itsy bitsy. Weeny yellow, but itsy bitsy. You're my honey bunny. I need some loving. Itsy bitsy. I said itsy bitsy. Teeny weeny yellow bird, I'm back in chicken dinner, chicken dinner. You're my honey bunny, chicken dinner, chicken dinner. I need some loving chicken dinner, chicken dinner. Itsy bitsy dinner,
Chicken dinner, chicken dinner.
Bring it on home.
Yeah.
Itsy bitsy, itsy bitsy. I said itsy bitsy. Itsy bitsy, itsy bitsy, itsy bitsy. I said itsy bitsy, teeny weeny yellow bucket of bikini. Hey!
I was actually waiting for you to go one more round.
That's great. We could.
No, we can't. 3 rounds, Luke. That was original, wasn't it?
Yes, that was our original from like 2000. No, like 1999.
That was you. That was you and your
I said pretend you
vitamin
knew.
A.
Oh, vitamin A.
20 seconds.
Vitamin A, vitamin A. We're gonna learn about vitamin A. Good for your body in every way. We're gonna learn about vitamin A. Hey. That's a little jingle right there.
5 seconds.
Healthy relationship.
3.
Iwa te kaumā ira oro ki whangarei nei. Iwa te kaumā iwa tu I hikurangi.
O tākina tura te kawa.
E te iwi.
Mihi ana rā e tū ana rā ki roto I tēnei whare. Ki te mihi atu. Ki tēnei hunga kua toi mai nei a Phoenix.
Tēnā koe.
Ai, mihi mai rā e te mātanga reo Māori. Kia ora.
Tēnā
Ki roto
koe.
I tō reo Māori.
Ai.
Kia manai.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, and on that beautiful introduction, so I wanted to speak to all my my people on a real journey at the moment. So if you're on a real journey, e mihana kia koutou.
Aye.
Because e mohio ke hau te ua ua o tēnei haerenga. Anyway, so yesterday, I was we had a whakatau at my office yesterday.
Whakatau.
We had a whakatau at our office yesterday for some new board members, some new kaimahi and all of that, you know, which is all good. Like, you know, so I'm on my side of Sport Northland. I'm on my Sport Northland side. I get ready to do the mihi. And across, like sitting across, and it's happened heaps of times, like not just this one time, but like often I'll sit across the room and I know who's sitting across from me. And like yesterday it was like Papa Te Wārahi, and then like these other like young fellas who were like mātanga reo, and I was like, oh no.
Why?
Because you're just like, if you're,
It's just a thing.
it's just a thing. Like,
I think it's not even real. It's just a thing where if there's someone more capable, I feel,
of anything.
Yeah. You're
But,
gonna feel that little bit intimidated.
Yeah, but I guess because you're learning reo, and you know, as Māori, it makes it even more like nerve wracking because it's like not only are they experts sitting across from you, but you're still learning, and also it's real, so it's like even closer to your heart because it's real. And oh man, I was sitting across and I could see who was sitting across from me, and I was like, oh man, here we go. And like literally, I was like, okay, it's my turn. And I was planning it in my mind, and I was like, all right, here we go. Got the mihi ready, and I got up, and I was like, I didn't even think about like the tau parapara. I thought about the rest of like the body of the mihi. Like, all right, that person's name, that person's from there. She's coming back. So I was like, sweet, I'll mention those things. Then I got up and I realized I didn't even have a tau parapara yet, like in my mind. And I was like, and I stood up and I was like, what's one? And I was racking my brain, like, quickly think of one. Quickly. Anyway.
Right.
One came out eventually. It was like one that we did in Kapahaka. Oh no. But I was so blank, and it's probably only a couple of seconds.
Yeah.
But when you're standing up to do mihi, and
it's a lifetime.
2 seconds feels like,
yes.
I just stood up here looking like an idiot.
I know
for
how you
5
feel.
minutes.
Yes.
Nice. See, and everybody's their own harshest critic.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So you probably were fine.
Yeah, no one like said anything or anything, but you know, I'm just like speaking to our people on the real journey who know what I'm feeling in that moment. Like you all know, if you've stood up in a anytime you've had to speak real and you know across from you is like little speakers who
Yes.
mātanga, and they know every mistake that you make. Like,
Yeah.
not that they're looking for them, but but like if I'm in a room full of non-real speakers, fluent.
Yeah.
They're fluent.
Yes.
Yes. And I like this comment from Sarah Kay. You have to remember everyone
Yes.
is always still learning.
I love that.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes.
But yeah.
And this one from Manalatu says, say something. Nah,
Yeah, say something.
You're awesome.
Phoenix.
Thank you, Analatu. Thank you, Analatu.
It's true, because like if I wasn't pushed by your mum, Auntie Pauline, and my family to do stuff when we go to the marae and that, because we're not full, we don't all speak it.
Yeah.
And I'm a second language. We're all second language learners. Then I wouldn't do it. Because I remember your mum at Kapahaku would always encourage, or if we go to something and I'm having to come onto the...
It's too late.
Yeah, she would say, you're all good, just do it.
Yeah.
And then, there are people that are there, you do get intimidated.
Yeah.
But then, I don't know, you just seem to just have this vow of confidence where you just ooze it out. I use humour to sort of shield myself. Because you're going to, like, for instance, we go up to Whangape up in the far north, and the Murray's up there.
Yeah.
But because you've got a connection to them via my grandmother, then they get it. And then you get up and my family are like, well, you have to go speak. So I'm like, okay, I'll do it.
Yeah.
And I feel like, oh my gosh, we're up here with the Murrays. Like, this is Hundi Tanga.
This is real.
But then if you just, I don't know, there's something about it that people will just get it. They go, oh, you're cool. Good on you for getting up.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And like, just to like reiterate, no one's ever made me feel stink. Like I've never been in
I know that feeling though.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
just like, oh, here we go.
Yeah.
But I bet anyone that is full total immersion, maybe do you guys get nervous or feel intimidated?
Yeah, and even not
probably.
even around Te Reo. What other
English.
situations have you been
Where you
in
feel
where you
like
felt
that?
Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it when Phoenix introduced me to Stan Walker. It was like my TNA tangata.
Yeah.
There was a waiata, and they're like, sing this waiata. Honestly, the worst I've ever sung.
That's right.
And I was like so gutted, like saying to myself in my head, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Yes,
What is
yes.
that note?
Hard. Why are you trying to sing soprano? Like nervous and like,
It's a vibe.
Yeah.
and they're like sing along. I'm like,
Yeah, that was crack up. But you got to sing with them a few times over that weekend, so that was all right. You figured it out at the end there. But yeah, so obviously, like everyone who's learning Te Reo, but I just wanted to like hear from the those on the real journey, those moments where they felt that way, because like you get up there and honestly, like you're like, oh yeah, cool, stand up, instant, just boop, 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 heart's going crazy, like what happened? But like honestly, you can put me in a room full of strangers, thousands of strangers, and if I get up to speak English, you would like it just comes out, like it flows. Like I could talk about a kaupapa I know nothing about 100% confidently in English. Like that's what I do on the daily. That's how I got my job.
That's right.
How you're on this radio.
Yeah, exactly. But then Te Reo, man,
it's a journey.
crazy.
I love it. Keeps us honest, keeps us grounded.
Keeps us grounded.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's pretty cool though. But it was like, everyone there is always like, only you feel that way in the moment. Like no one, like you probably make hapa mistakes, and like I don't think anyone's listening that intently. Like they're instead of you're terrible.
If you are,
anyone that is learning Te Reo or is full immersion Te Reo and can get up and just have a little kōrero, I think that's great.
Yeah.
Hats off to you.
Yeah,
I think like because when listening to you, like I think it's cool that every time I've listened to you kōrero, you've been better every time, which is like that's me. Progress.
Yeah.
I think
Progress.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
Go
But
you,
like,
friend.
and you know, because you'll sit there and I'll be like, oh, sorry about it, flash guy.
What can I do?
Oh, someone listens to Cooper Whakarite.
Yeah. Anyway, so and that's why it's good that iti te kupu, because there's so many helpful ones yesterday. Yesterday I used te muro a te tini, te muro a te mano, because for Papa Te Wārahi, and I was like, I remember that one.
Cooper Whakarite. And speaking of that, that's coming up very shortly. Iti te kupu, no reira kia utonu mai.
Yeah, this one we're gonna bring up the energy. We'll sweat it. Player of the day. No reira kia utonu mai. Ngati Hine FM.
All right. I'm sweating.
Sweating.
I know, it's sweet.
Other day, hey. What was that?
You know how
Yeah.
it used to just do. Was it only the 8 to 9 o'clock hour where it used to like fill up all the songs?
Yeah.
One did it?
Nah, both of them did it, but it was only the 8 o'clock to 9 that automatically played them.
Thank you, Sarah Kay.
Thank you, Sarah Kay.
It's very nice. Absolutely playing all things in the
Koe te kuini, te mātanga reo Māori e se e hera kei. Tēnei rā te mihi ki a koe mai te tai kai raki ki a koe.
And our washer choichoko is.
That's even like this as an example. Like I could play 3 chords, but if a guitarist walks in the whare, I'm like, yo, put this down. Sorry, I touched it. Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, I touched it.
What's your name? So you're at Mahi?
I need to go to Mahi.
What are you doing, Mahi?
Mahi, I've got a few Mahi to do. Nifa, all at home. Yeah. And then we've got Maru and I going up to Otiria Apopo to capture a hui. Contracting. Also, if you're a Māori designer out there, hit us up. Actually, I need to hit Boy up because he's looking for a job. I'm like, got contract, mate.
Yeah.
I will choose to love you. Hey, hey, hey. 25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope. It's a nation. I realized quickly that I knew I should that the world is something done the brotherhood of man. Or whatever that means. Until I wait. Yes. Until I wait. Step outside and I'll take a deep breath and I get real high and I grab my legs, what's going on? And I said, hi, yeah. I said, hi. What's going on? And I said, hey. Hey. I said, hey. What's going on?
Wow, fancy that vision.
Good.
And I said,
and I said, hey. That Hawaiian name.
yeah.
Right. Oh.
I said, hey. And you sing that song, but in your Jamaican or reggae. That one. I realized quickly that you the world. Oh, brother. And I said, 25 years and my life is still. Shut up. Sex. Right, big cute. Stop playing. Mai te hurihanga o Kāwharu, it is Ngāti Hine FM 99.6 and 99.1 north of Hikurangi and Ngā Pechi Tanga. Kia ora.
That's right, whānau. You're here with the crew, myself, Phoenix, Marcia, and Luke. It is 8:29 a.m. Morning to you if you're just joining us. Kia ora, how are you?
Welcome.
How are ya?
How are ya?
Allow it.
Ko tai tātou ki tēnei wāhanga makau āku a tātou. E kia nei ko?
E te kupu, yeah.
Call it.
Blow back, call it, blow back, call it.
All right, I'm just going to recap on yesterday's one because I like it. Ihu manea.
Ihu manea.
Aye, manea is to be an expert or know more, just ihu manea.
I like
So an
that.
expert, yeah, it's quite pretty. Eh?
Yes, it was. That was
fully
yesterday.
developed.
fully developed. This is my child, Ihumania. I like it.
Cute. All right, well, today it's got sort of the same vibes.
My child, Ihumania.
Tere tere pu mahara.
Oh.
Tere tere poo. Tere.
When you say it like that.
Tere, tere.
Tere tere.
Oh, that was in our haka.
Kia tere
The
tere.
poo mahara. But I don't know what it means.
Oh, I love that.
Tere tere. Kia tere. Fast, fast.
Fast, fast.
Or something quickly. Quickly doing something.
Tere tere
What is it?
pu
Poo
mahara.
mahara.
Poo mahara. Tere tere poo mahara. No,
Ah,
don't know.
momorangatira o
Tere tere fast,
tēnei
fast.
au. Yeah.
Quick,
Yeah.
quickly.
Tere tere can't to be quick. Can be to be quick. Fast, hurry, rash, dash.
Oh.
Rash, dash.
Rash?
Rush, dash. But it can
mahara.
also mean to float, flow, run, and drift.
Oh,
Oh.
tere tere.
It can also mean to flicker.
Mahara.
Now, which one is it?
Is mahara like a thought? Like a
Yeah,
less macaro, but like is it
Yeah.
like another way of thinking? No mahara.
Or like
remembering
poo
thought?
mahara, like is it like the like the
Yeah.
like center of your thoughts, or like the nut or the focus of your thoughts? Is
Hi,
mahara?
Tera.
Or is tere tere poo mahara got to do with people who drift? Their thinking's drifting, like they drift off.
Yeah.
Okay, so pu mahara is thoughtful, learned, wise, perceptive,
Ah.
Yeah, interesting.
sagacious.
So you said saggy.
Ah, shaggy.
Saggy.
Ada,
Is that the word?
that was from before.
Sagacious?
I don't know.
I can't see
I
it.
can't see it.
Astute.
Astute. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a word. Astute.
Yeah, koira te ngā kupu, ngā
Pū
puna
mahara.
kupu, moti kupu, pu
Tere,
mahara.
tere.
I was trying to remember the
Pū
kupu to
mahara.
the haka that we did, like
Yes.
how it
Did you
came
get
out.
it?
Yeah, it was like something. No. How does it go?
I don't know. You were there.
I can remember the actions, but I can't remember the first word. Damn,
Kia
no, I
ora.
can't remember.
Can you give
Te
us the
mahara.
tawira?
There's not really a,
momorangatira o nehera.
Okay.
Yes.
Say that again there.
Ah.
Rere ngā kōrero.
Rere ngā kōrero
tēnā whakarongo
mai.
Say that one
Oh,
more time.
I te pūmahara nā momorangatira o nehera.
Oh, te pūmahara.
I'm pretty sure you just gave your own answer.
Yeah, no, that's it. I know what it is. I was telling you.
Oh, yes. So what is it?
It's o nehera.
Ngā momo rangatira o nehera?
Yeah, so I guess we're talking about all the rangatira from way back.
Way back.
And,
Of
and
their
how they were
astuteness.
astute and
Kia ora.
sagacious.
We just developed our own puna
Aye.
kōrero for this because the only thing that I've got for it is expert.
Okay.
Kia ora no, I te mea mea
Oh, that makes
karuku
sense.
hohonu, tērā pēr koera ka kōrero.
That
Ngā
makes-
momo rangatira o nehera.
Yes.
Aye, that makes sense.
Yeah, one of the attributes of our rangatira.
Yeah.
Kia
And if
ora.
you're thinking about pūmahara, memories or thoughtful, those, I don't know,
So what
rangatira
was,
that
the,
have all those in mind.
what was
Yes.
the whole kupu whakarite again?
Tere tere pūmahara.
Oh, so
Tere
what's the
pūmahara.
tere tere part? Where
Must
does
be
that come in?
fast.
Like
Thinking,
fast,
thinking,
maybe ahead of
Yeah,
someone,
yeah.
or
forward thinking.
yeah,
Ah,
but
yeah.
ahead of it, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tua.
I'm gonna write that on my CV or invoice. Luke Bird, tere tere
Oh, it's
pūmahara.
Luke Bird.
Manu Whititua.
Yeah.
Manu Whititua.
I actually used it in a text the other day. You know, do you know
Luka,
Ashley
Manu
Nathan?
Whititua. Yes, I do.
So he messaged me on
Yes.
Instagram. We've been talking
Kerry
back and forth
Nathans.
about, I love her, about going, about becoming self-employed. And he just wants to do the first thing.
Ah, yes.
So
Yeah.
I messaged him on his little thing and we've been chatting. And then I wrote back this whole thing about going forward and doing your thing, Manu Whititua. And he's like, "Che, I love that." I'm like, thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah. Yes, because
You're welcome.
he's on the real journey too, hard out.
Yes.
So he's like,
And his mum, she's going
Yeah.
awesome.
They're
Yeah.
doing it together, yeah. Awesome.
yeah, he's cool
As a
fella.
whānau.
Love
Kiwi.
him.
So that's our kupu whakarite for the morning, whānau. Tere tere pūmahara.
Love
Surely
Tere.
you guys will know someone who fits that description, and next time you need to meet to them,
Tēnā
Do it.
koe te tere tere pūmahara.
aye.
Or maybe it's like, ka hoki ngā mahara ki ngā tere pūmahara. Maybe that's too much mahara in one sentence. Too much rega kōrero.
Rega kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
That's right.
It's good before today.
Pūmahara. I te pūmahara ngā momorangatira o Nehera.
Kia ora. The only sentence he remembers from the haka.
It was like 8 years ago.
Kia no tata ki te mito te rohe suru kam. E mea ana koe. Nā wai te ka.
Hono.
But before that, whānau, we have Eki from Mohi. Nō reira, ki au tonu mai.
Mohi.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Marcia, Luke and Phoenix, kick out.
8:30.
Oh my God. 8:36, that's right. All right, what have we got? Some facts and kicks for you all today.
It's always 8:36 with Marcia, Luke and Phoenix. I'll go to Hine FM.
Okay, so harmonies are fire.
Our fire. Kia ora, fire.
Fire.
Wow, that's close.
Baby girl.
Got some good ones today. That's right. This is your dating advice with Marcia. Dating tip number 1. Date yourself. Dating tip number 2. Want to know why we're single? Ask us soon. I'll show you.
Why are you single?
I don't know. I think it's because I'm busy. Why are we single? No, we just talking.
Luke said it.
You too.
Yeah, you wouldn't know because you're married.
Because you're just out of everyone.
But then when we go out together, yeah, this is my husband, Luke.
I've said that before. I was like, they're going to think we're husband and wife. She's like, no. Yes, they will. Hey, babe. Hey, babe.
Is that how straight people talk?
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe. Hey, babe, you want to come and scratch my back?
Oh, my gosh.
I was thinking about this yesterday as... Hey, babe, you want to come and change my
Hey,
oil?
babe, you want a kebab?
I was thinking, as I was resting my knee yesterday, why don't we look at maybe towards the end of the year doing like a show, like a live show?
Definitely.
So it's
Yeah, you
recorded
had
live in an
with
audience.
some musicians.
Yeah, like we actually have a show.
Definitely.
I think it'd be quite cool to produce that.
That would be.
Okay, cool, great.
I'm pretty sure I've already spoken about this.
Oh, I love this ad.
One man there.
Oh, they're woman. Yeah. Get it, Madonna.
I haven't seen her since we had dinner.
I know, that was a vibe. No, she was a great.
She was a vibe. We had such a great time. You didn't come, did you? No, you didn't.
I don't do social events.
But
That
we're
wasn't the reason. You were in
You were
Kaikohe.
driving.
Oh,
So now we know you really
I
weren't.
was.
You
That's
just-
right. I was up there for Nifa. Hey.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pardon me. Go for a caca.
Oh,
That's a
cute.
great dating accordion.
Ko tātai te rā, ka hore.
Oh,
Ka hore.
Welcome to the VIP back.
Oh my gosh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Why we're single?
Oh my gosh.
Ask my wife. Hi, babe. Scratch my toenails. Scratch my nose.
I like those TikToks where it's like, show me something you're supposed to love, but kind of don't like, and everyone keeps putting it on their like wife or their husband.
Yeah.
It's so funny.
Show me something you're supposed to like.
What if we were all married? What would your husband be like, Lars?
It'd be like, hey, babe.
Hey,
babe.
I gotta go because I got to play for All Black.
This is my
That's
husband.
right.
Maruth is
Get sicker. Also, if that was my husband, he'd be like 20-something.
Yes.
That's right, you're only 28.
Yeah,
What's wrong
28.
with that?
Sweet.
People think I'm 28 and I take it.
Oh, why wouldn't you?
Yeah, exactly. That's right.
People think I'm 20. I'm like, hey.
You make me laugh.
Kia ora, pio.
Pio, pio. Ora. Yeah.
I do it to I love trying to do it for people who are like who there was right at the beginning.
Yeah,
of
not
their
put off.
journey.
Oh, yeah, like.
Right at the beginning of their journey, and like in a like they say they pipi hard, you go kia ora, like a genuine like.
Oh, no, I do mocking kills.
Oh no. Oh, I do for my mates.
Like it probably if not that I've and whatever setting it is, if it's a laid back setting,
Right.
I'd say it for you.
Yeah.
Alright.
3, 2.
Oh, it's me again. Iwa te kouma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. Iwa te kouma, iwa ira tahi tuatu I hiku. Morena! E te iwi!
Aye,
I
morena
felt like you
tiwi.
could have gone longer.
I was
Yeah.
thinking about going
Yeah,
further,
yeah.
but I thought that's a bit of a stretch.
Nau hoki mai ki
You-
tēnei hōtaka e kia nei ko e are e mara.
Mm.
Ko konei koutou mātou ko te whānau nei ko au, ko whina.
I'm so glad you're here. It's just like in case they didn't know.
In case you didn't know, I was here. And then there's these other two. He was away yesterday. Paru, because he's paru.
Because he doesn't know how to wash his leg.
I've got
can't.
That's me.
the leg
that's
that we
me.
can see.
That was me trying to throw the
stop
heat
it,
away from the fact that I was speaking Māori and I forgot
Oh,
like
no, you
what I
were
was trying to say.
good.
Mātou Pishmeru.
Ora! Engari, e te iwi ko tautata ki tēnei wahanga. Tino Pairawate.
E mea na koe. Ai, Hono.
Hit us with your kicks.
Well, so you know a golf ball?
I do know a golf ball. Thank
A
you.
golf ball. How many little dots do you think are on a golf ball?
500.
Little dimples.
I've heard it. It's like,
quite big.
yeah, it's like,
And a golf ball's what? That big?
it's like 2,306.
No, it's 3,000.
No, actually, you're both wrong, but it's 366.
Oh, I was close there. 500.
366 dimples are on a golf ball. But when you
Oh,
look at
wow.
it, you wouldn't think there'd be that many.
300 and what?
66. Oh, 336. Apology.
Wow.
Still a lot.
That is,
Wow.
That's a lot.
that's a great fact.
I haven't got a
thank you.
fact, but I've got a statement. And this is going out to all the car manufacturers. You need to put your horns in pictures of C, E, or G. So whenever two people honk at the same time, it will be in a harmony in a traffic jam.
Yes, that'll be
Yes.
great.
That'll be lovely.
That would be quite
Thank
good.
you.
Not just the ugly twist, like,
Yeah, so get out the way.
yeah. Hey, it's a green light.
You cut me off.
Oh,
Oh,
hey, see?
Yes, that'd be cool.
That's a great idea.
Oh, that's
So
good.
if you're a horn manufacturer and you're listening, you need 3 different types of horn,
Yes.
all
That's
in those
so
keys.
good.
So road rage just sounds better. Like they'll hear the horns and be like, actually, I'm not that mad anymore. That was
Yeah.
nice.
Oh, that's
Get out of my way.
Oh, yeah, we're on.
Yes. Hey, you
Oh.
did an indicator at the roundabout.
Honk.
Okay, carry on.
Hey, carry on.
Honk. Oh, bro.
Oh,
We're
Bro.
funny.
we
At
are
us.
funny.
At us for that.
Yeah, come on,
Yeah.
try it.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, you got one? No,
Oh,
you
no,
don't.
you go.
Okay. A Costa Rican worker who makes baseballs every year, so they're made in Costa Rica, earns $2,750 a year making a baseball. And then Americans who play baseball earn $2.3 million a year. Isn't that just sad?
Well,
Yeah, well, you know, we don't have the baseball channel to watch the ball.
No, but it's quite sad.
But it is, yeah.
A Costa Rican worker makes baseballs who earns $2,700 a year. Then the average American pro baseball player earns $2.3 million a year.
And probably the Chinese manufacturer who makes the baseball clothes earns less than
yeah,
us.
yeah, exactly.
Terrible. Just
terrible.
terrible.
Terrible. Hey,
You got one?
hey,
No, you.
stop not paying your workers properly and I'm going to get angry at you with my horn.
Honk. We're on.
Marcy, you got another one? I've got two more. That's
I've got
all.
no more.
There you
I've
go.
got none.
Okay, so the moon is moving away from the Earth at a very tiny, although measurable rate every year. But 85 million years ago, it was orbiting the Earth only 35 feet from the planet's surface.
Oh, wow.
So that's like from here to like just in the car park.
Yeah.
What?
So
how many years?
85 million. A long time ago.
I was like, 85 million years. Still, though.
35 feet away from the Earth. Isn't that amazing?
That's
Outside the window.
So you could have jumped on it.
Yeah, you could have touched it. Actually, you could just touch the moon. It's right outside.
That's so
Or if you were in your car and you wanted to say hello to the moon, you'd be like, hey, moon. Nah.
No.
But yeah, 35 feet away from the planet. That's huge.
Crazy.
And
That's
if it was
crazy.
like, because how big is the moon?
It's big.
If it was that close, how many countries would see it on their side?
Oh, yeah.
And if it was that close.
We could jump on the moon and then hop off in Africa.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah.
You could
Catch a
jump
ride.
on and just go, jump on. You could.
Yeah, and like, what would the tides have looked like if the moon was that
Flooding.
close? Like the
Oh,
gravitational
yeah.
pull of the moon.
There was no land.
There probably wouldn't be much water, would it? Because doesn't
Ice
it draw it
age.
out?
In Montreal.
That's one to think about.
Yeah, I can't stop thinking about it. I'm like,
It's so close.
Yeah.
It's like right outside
We're going
the
to work
window.
it out.
My last
You
one
wave to
now.
the neighbours on
I've got a
Oh,
thought.
you've got one? Okay, cool.
Do you reckon dogs can read?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Oh, I feel sad for them, especially in places that says no dogs allowed.
Oh, can they read?
I was hoping they couldn't read, because then they wouldn't feel sad.
Oh, they're like, me again.
Yeah,
yeah, no
we'll be
dogs
going
are-
back
oh.
to the not even that long ago where it was colours at the back.
Yeah.
Same
Segregation.
thing. Yeah,
No dogs allowed. The dogs are
hard. No vax pass.
Your dog vaccinated?
Well, that's sad. They can read.
Can they?
You just said.
No, I
can
said,
they?
do you reckon they can?
Oh, but does it say
And
if
you
they do?
said yes. No,
No,
this
they
is
definitely
all
don't.
just hypothetical for
Oh,
Karo,
so if they could.
for our puna wānanga.
I killed it. Now, I want to know, Phoenix, how old is your mattress?
It's only a couple of years old. It's maybe like maybe 2 years, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Marcia? Few years?
We bought
Under
it.
10,
But over 8?
maybe.
Oh, okay. This is good for you, girl.
No, I don't want to know.
An 8 to
I need a
10
new
year
bed.
old.
I'm buying it today.
You might after this. An 8 to 10-year-old mattress weighs double what it did when it was new due to the debris that it absorbs over time.
Wow.
The debris includes dust mites and decaying dust mite droppings and bodies,
Oh.
mold, millions
Bodies.
of dead skin cells, dandruff, human hair, excretions, pollen, dust, soil, sand, and a lot of perspiration, which the average person loses at a rate of a quarter of a day.
Nah,
Wow.
not mine.
Isn't that gross?
Yeah, no, ours is pretty new. We bought ours only like a couple of years ago on the Black Friday. It was like
yes,
brand
good.
new, like one of those like,
Yeah.
memory foamy.
Silly.
Like, yeah.
Silly.
Get that silly postpedic feeling silly.
Really? I
Yes.
thought it was a silly twice.
Yes,
Not a
Anna
silly.
It's disgusting.
It is disgusting.
How old yours?
I don't know.
Mixed with your leg from yesterday and you're not in your paru.
Probably like 5. I don't know. But yeah, so a 10-year-old
Mine's
bed.
less. I shower before I go to bed.
But you still lose a quarter of stuff every day. Isn't that
Wow.
amazing?
Yeah, that is amazing.
That's gross.
Should I have my last one? I got another
Go
one.
your last one.
Okay.
Matua.
Have I told you about lipsticks the other week?
Maybe.
I don't remember a lipsticks one.
Oh, anyway. This is different. Every year, 16 million gallons of oil runs off pavements into streams, rivers, and eventually oceans in the United States. This is more oil than was spilled by the Exxon Valdez, which was a big oil spill in the United States. 16 million gallons every year.
So glad we waited for that fact. My last one. A ton of people is literally 12 to 15 people.
12 to 15 people.
Yeah, there was a ton of people there. Kia ora.
Oh.
Reverting stuff e
That
te iwi.
is, well
Kua
done.
tō tērā ki runga i tēnā wāhanga. Kia auki anō tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Kia te Hine FM. Oh, let's go.
Let's bring it up.
The single
Ngā te
ladies.
Hine FM.
Now put your hand up,
It's been real out of it today. Like it's not letting me do the same thing.
Stop it.
Oh,
That was on. Ka tīmata tātai he wāhanga hou. E kia nei ko part-ties or something. Just like questions to get us talking more.
get whakaaro.
Oh my God.
Maybe you actually call it get whakaaro.
It's actually fun. For our VIP lounge, yes.
Get whakaaro. Or should we ask?
No, so like, so we can make up the question, but say something like, you talk about something that's nostalgic to us all, and then maybe the question is for tomorrow, what are things that make you feel that way? And then we can, get the buy-in. But then like actual cool questions. No, that's just an example.
Let's go.
Yeah. What are things that make you beat the horn at other people? Stuff like that.
Oh, yes. Walking out in front of the road when you know it's on a pedestrian crossing.
Oh, yeah.
Or walking on a pedestrian crossing when you know you actually, as a citizen, you're supposed to stop and see if it's safe first.
Yeah.
Just walk out.
Yeah.
Or stopping at a pedestrian and not actually crossing.
Oh, yeah, they just... Oh,
Like
it's
they're
on the
just,
side.
why are you standing there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So questions like that. Just questions that'll,
Keep
you know.
things going. Yes,
Yeah.
got you. That's cool.
Well, we'll have one every day. I'll post it today. And then we'll talk about it tomorrow.
Kapai.
Get whakaaro. Get whakaaro.
Get whakaaro. Get hakaro. Get hot.
Whakaaro. It's just outro, eh?
Should we outro on this?
Yeah. Mind ya. Oh, yeah, we got 6 seconds. Beauty. It's 10 seconds.
Yeah.
The blue. Should take.
Sure.
Place it over there.
This?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
So we got a bit of an outro.
When are we doing the outro? Like during this part though?
Yeah, but we got.
Oh, we'll talk after the set.
Yeah.
And then on.
For about 50 seconds, yeah.
5 seconds. 3, 2. I wata kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. I wata kauma, iwa ira tahi tuatu. It's I ara e mara. It's that time of the day, everybody. That time of the day.
Oh, to what?
To almost say, haere mātua, hoki, ki te kāinga.
Yes, that's
Can we
right, funny.
Take it all the way back to your deep voice.
What am I trying to say?
Live, local, and
Oh,
involved.
yes. I was like, what's the word? Turn on the button. Live, local, and at home. Ngāti hine.
Oh, that's amazing.
You got to over accentuate the live, local, and at home.
Hana, it's been a great show. Thank you for listening and tuning in online and on air. And hey, our Pawpaw will be back 7 a.m. onwards. And remember, if you're out in the streets, whāngarei, and you need to beep your horn, hopefully it sounds like this. Honk!
Nah, man. I forgot mine.
I did try to go back there. I knew it was going to be crash and burn. Anyway.
That's us fun. Anyway, mai ia mātou te whānau o eare mara kia kaha.
Kia mai.
Kia nifa.
That's right, funny.
Eare
Have a
mara.
great day.
See you
Have an
tomorrow.
awesome day. Positive vibrations. Ngāti Hine FM.
Bye.
If death comes for me tonight, girl.
Backstage. And we'll just say goodbye.
Bye, everybody. Have a good day.
Thanks for coming to VIP Backstage. Be back tomorrow. Ka kite.
Bye. Have a poof.